When it comes to earning Bitcoin online, you must have faith in the websites you use. There are many scammers out there seeking to take your money, and we must avoid them. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. In this video, we are going to discuss a new technique to make free Bitcoin online, and I am talking $300 per day. This will be a 2022 upgrade that will require no spending from you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Get rewarded for paying attention. That is exactly what we will do in today's video. Guys, I'm sure you get overwhelmed by all of those obnoxious advertising whenever you link to a specific website. To give you an idea of how awful this is, advertising and trackers consume up to 50% of the average user's mobile phone data. However, there is a way for you to control the advertisements you see. That means you will have complete control and you will even get rewarded for paying attention, which I'll show you exactly how to do. Simply put, you will be rewarded for seeing ads that respect your privacy. That will happen just by browsing the web. That is all you need to do. The reason for this is that your attention is precious. You will earn it by seeing privacy-respecting adverts, and you can pay it forward to support content creators you admire. But this will not be required. This is how the procedure will unfold. You will see these pop-ups that you can dismiss whenever you wish to view an ad. In other words, you have complete control over this situation. If you want to earn money by watching an order, you can, but you don't have to. This will all be done through the Brave reward system. And you will receive the BAT token or the Basic Attention token, but more on that later. For the time being, I'd like you to connect to Brave.com, which will be the major tool we will be using today. This is essentially a browser similar to Google Chrome. This has several extremely distinct characteristics. It absolutely stands out from the pack, and this is due to the fact that they genuinely care about your privacy. Guys, you may not care about your privacy that much, but it will be an important aspect. Here is a quick comparison of the Brave browser to some of the most popular browsers, including Firefox, Safari, and Google Chrome. As you can see, it has a number of advantages. It will block cookies as well as intrusive advertisements, and it will not end there. It even offers malware and phishing protection to keep you safe. However, the security function is merely a bonus. We are here to make money, and that is all we are going to do. We will take advantage of the Brave reward system and earn cryptocurrency on autopilot. As previously said, Brave has created its own token, its own cryptocurrency known as the Basic Attention token, which has recently been rather popular. If you look at the all-time chart, you can see some incredible rises. It used to be somewhere about 0.2 USD. It is not too late if you have not been using this browser. That is because technology is constantly growing, and as you can see here, Brave is constantly upgrading its browser and user experience. The BAT token is also rising in value. The crypto market is currently in a murky phase and has taken some significant losses. However, this indicates that the token is still far from its all-time high, leaving you with a lot of upside potential. This is essential because we will earn the Basic Attention token by watching advertisements and earning BAT. Let us say you are still hesitant and want to stick with Google Chrome as your primary browser. I completely understand. I'm a great Google fan who has been using it for years and truly appreciates its capabilities. But Brave.com will provide some incredible benefits. If you don't want to download the browser right now, you can go to search.brave.com, which will perform the same thing. You can go about your business as usual, and this will function in a manner similar to Google Chrome. It will still display the top popular results here, and you will see no difference. However, if you keep to the search function, you will not have access to the earn money function, thus you will not be earning any money. Instead, you will simply be moving to another search engine, which will not make a significant difference. We are here to make money, so let us get started. What I want you to do is go to Brave.com and click the Download Brave button. When you click that button, the executable should be downloaded to your device, so you may install it straight away. Don't worry if you're not a huge lover of using your computer and staying in front of your computer all day. You can go to Google Play and find a similar app called the browser Brave, which has over 800,000 ratings, so chances are you have already heard of it. It is now rated 4.6 out of 5 based on several evaluations, which is a crucial characteristic that indicates people are enjoying this program. Using this application on your phone will function in a similar manner. You will be compensated for your attention, and you will earn money for viewing privacy-protecting advertisements. Now, gentlemen, I know what you are thinking right now, but I promise that we are going to earn Bitcoin, so let us get started. If you go to any decentralized exchange such as letsexchange.io, you will see this option here, which allows you to exchange any cryptocurrency. And at this point, you should be able to key in the name of the token you just won, which is the basic attention token. And as you can see, it can be found on multiple blockchains such as BEP20 and ERC20. So choose the one that you have. After that, you should go to the second option and select Bitcoin, as that is how the transfer will be made. Simply send your BAT tokens to your Bitcoin wallet address. Simply enter your Bitcoin wallet address here and the exchange will be completed in a matter of seconds. And just like that, you are earning Bitcoin for watching advertising without having to join any of those sketchy websites that will take your information and just pay you a few pennies. And if you are an iOS user watching this video and wondering if it is accessible for your device, don't you worry. It is available on the App Store. It has a rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. They now have over 200,000 reviews, which is a big number. The price of the BAT token is most certainly going to rise as the browser grows more popular. Back in 2019, a BAT token was priced at roughly 10 cents, but it has since surged enormously as the popularity of the Brave browser has grown substantially. You'll gain even more money when more people learn about our browser, but only if you keep your earnings in the BAT token. That is not going to happen if you move to Bitcoin, therefore it is entirely up to you. Bitcoin has just experienced a significant drop, and it is now valued at roughly $46,000, down to its all-time high of around $65,000. Although I believe Bitcoin has significant upside potential, switching to the basic attention token for the time being might be a good decision if you are already earning it naturally. Remember, no investments are required. Simply connect to the Brave browser, download it on your device, and you may begin making money with your investment. The tool is free, there is no need to deposit money, and you have the ultimate privacy online, so what are you waiting for? So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.